Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country and language of how you want to get the people also ask searches from Google. So what you want to do, you'll see on the bottom here, this little, in the PAA extractor, you want to click G Advanced. It brings you over to the Google Advanced Search. And in here, you have the ability to change a language and region. So let's say we change it to German. And we'll also change the region to Germany. And then we'll put a search word in there, but I want to use the language in German. So I put in the Google Translate tool, I stuck puppy training, and I'm going to get the German translation and put this into here. And now I'm going to go ahead and click search. And now what we want to do is you want to click this little button down there, extract. Now it's going through and extracting. And of course you do have to set your levels and your clicks. So now we have our tree. If we put PAA tree here, now we have it all in German, and we just searched in Germany. So basically you're just using the Google Advanced Search, and you can select in there where you want to actually search and use their kind of features. So it's really easy to do, and it's just that simple. And you can continue doing all the other features I've shown you in the software, but you can use other languages and other countries and get different results for wherever you're doing your marketing. And also one thing to note here is actually every time you open up a new instance of the software, so if you click this open new right here or double click the icon on your Windows PC, on a Mac you'll have to click this button to open up a new one, but every time you open it up, the cache for the actual browser will be completely reloaded again, so it won't recognize that initial country there, so it goes back to Canada where I'm located here. So that's a good thing to know. Like whenever you open up the software again, you're going to have to go through that process of going there and selecting the country. Unless you're in the country, if you're in Germany, then it's obviously going to default to Germany. Let's say in the same search, you wanted to go to a different country. You can actually clear out the cache by clicking this button up here and click clear cache, and it will automatically clear it all out, and it'll just go back to my location I'm at right now, which is Canada. Now on a Mac, it's a little different. It might not do that. You might have to restart the software, but on the PC, that's how it works. And now you can kind of go back to the G Advanced, select other countries, or do whatever you got to do with the region. But anyways, that's how you change a language, and that's how you can change the country for the PAA extractor tool.